In this demonstration, you are going to see how to create a 3D solid section. What I've done in this demonstration drawing is I've drawn a cylinder with a hole in the middle and a little keyway, and we're going to create a half section. Now in a half section you have a quarter of the object removed, but if you remember back to your sectioning lessons in 2D CAD, you should recall the complete understanding of the half section. So for your 3D half sections, what you need to do is draw the object as if it's complete, and then draw a box that intersects with 1/4 of it. And then we can use the subtract command to click on the object and then click on the box that you want to use as the cutting edge. And now you should be able to see in the 3D view how 1/4 of this has been removed. That was pretty simple, but the main trick in 3D sectioning is getting the hatching to go in the right place. What we need to do is align the AutoCAD user coordinate system with the surface where we want the hatching to go. Of course, we first need to create a hatch layer probably, so we'll go to our layer properties. We'll go to our layer properties, there it is, and then we'll right click and create a new layer. We'll call this layer hatch, and we've usually made hatching green in the past, so we'll change the color to green. You actually want to use index color 3. It's the light green down here in the bottom part of this dialog box. And of course you want to double click on it to make it the current layer. Okay, so we're ready to move our user coordinate origin or system so that it is aligned with this top edge where we want some hatching to go. So what I'm going to do is mainly right click on the user coordinate system icon, and that's what this little XYZ icon is called, the user coordinate system. And in previous versions of AutoCAD it was a little more cumbersome to use. But what we're going to do is align it with a face. So I'm going to choose that, and then I'm just going to click on this face where we want the hatching to go. So once we have our user coordinate system aligned with the face where we want our hatching to go, we can choose the hatch command, and we want to use the ANSI 31 pattern, and then just click on that face where the user coordinate system is. You may see the rest of the solid kind of highlight in a funny way, but you should also see your green hatching apply on the surface where you want it. And if that's correct, just right click and choose enter. You can now also move the user coordinate system again. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to align it with a different face, and I'm going to align it with this face on the bottom of where the cut was made. Accept that. Use our hatch command once again. Click inside that face. Right click, hit enter. And now if we execute the hide command, you'll see that that doesn't work at all. Okay, that may have appeared like an epic fail, but we can remedy that problem. If we go up into our view and change from a 2D wireframe to a simple wireframe, and then execute the hide command, you will see our hatch pattern appear as it should.